Hey guys, what's up? So today I thought I would film a New Year's makeup tutorial. I've gone ahead and done my face already. I'm just going to make this an eye and lip tutorial. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'm not sure, let me know which one you guys prefer more. If you like eyes and lips or like full face better. If you want to see what's on my face, you can go back and watch pretty much any of my recent makeup videos. And it's pretty similar to those. But let's get on into the video. So to start off with, I'm going to be taking the Naked Urban Decay Smoky Palette, and I'm going to take a Model Co shader brush, and I'm going to be using the color, I think I'm going to start with Slanted on my lid. So once I put Slanted on my lid, I'm going to take a Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of Armor, and I'm going to put that in the crease. And then I'm going to take Black Market, and I'm just going to use that in like the outer corner crease area. And this might take a decent amount of blending to get it exactly how you want it, but just keep working on it, keep blending it, and then it'll work out. Once I've done that, I'm actually going to take a smudger brush and take Black Market under my eyes. And if you wait to finish off your face, you'll be able to clean up any fallout. Once I've done that, I'm also going to use Black Market with a Sedona 561 angled brush. And I'm going to use Black Market to line my upper lash line. Just connecting it to where we put the Black Market before. I'm lining pretty close to my lash line with this. You could definitely go further up and make it a little bit darker, but I don't want to. Once I've done that, I'm going to take 13 and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. And then on my finger, I'm going to take the color High and use that in my inner corners. Once I've done that, I'm actually going to take a little bit of this glitter and I'm just going to pat that over where we put the color Slanted. have to do this step if you don't want to, but I really wanted to add some glitter. Okay, so once we finish the eyes, I'm going to take the Ulta Beauty Plush Draw Mascara and I'm going to use that on my upper and lower lashes. Sorry about that noise, I'm working on the laundry and it just got done. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do the lips. On the lips, I'm just going to use a bright red lipstick. This is not a particular brand, any brand will do. This is just one from like a little makeup kit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the lips. So this, you guys, is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Again, I'm sorry about that sound. It, for some reason, goes off twice and there's no way for me to turn it off. If you guys know of any ways to turn off the sound, please let me know. Normally there's a dial, but there is not on this one, so I'm not sure. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if you like this look and send me some pictures if you guys recreate it. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!